Okay, I want to show you a cable cast on. A cable cast on is very, very similar to a knitted on or lace cast on, but it gives a more stable base. So if you find that you're using a knitted on or lace cast on and your cast on's kind of bagging out a little bit and too elastic, then this might be the cast on that you want to use. Start with a slip knot on your left hand needle and then go into that slip knot with your right hand needle, wrap the yarn around and pull it through, and then take that new stitch and put it onto the left hand needle as well. So now you have 2 stitches on your left hand needle. And now if you were doing a knitted on cast on, you just keep going into that next stitch, the one that you just made, wrap the yarn and pull it through. But for a cable cast on, you go in between those 2 stitches, wrap the yarn around, pull it through and put it onto your needle just like that. And that is the difference between a cable cast on and a knitted on cast on. You're going in between the 2 stitches, pull it up and put it on in between. Sometimes it could be a little hard to pull it through and get it on. And then you just continue on like that, going in between the last 2 stitches on your left hand needle and wrapping the yarn around and pulling it through. Pretty simple, but some of you might not have played with this cast on before. So now you know how to do it. Thank you so much. Definitely ask any questions if you have any.